This is the AI News Flash for March 29th, 6 a.m. UTC. First up, SEMICON China 2026 in Shanghai revealed staggering growth projections for the AI semiconductor industry.
Global AI and data center capital expenditure is approaching $800 billion, marking a structural shift in the semiconductor industry.
The overall semiconductor market is projected to reach $1.8 trillion by 2030, driven primarily by AI computing demand. However, IBS CEO Handel Jones flagged a potential chip cycle downturn in 2028 as China is expected to command 42% of global chip-making capacity by then, raising concerns about overcapacity. Next, a new report from Rapid7 reveals that AI is dramatically accelerating how quickly hackers exploit software vulnerabilities. The median time from vulnerability disclosure to exploitation has dropped from 8.5 days to just 5 days. The mean time fell from 61 days to 28.5 days. Exploitation of high-severity vulnerabilities surged 105% year-over-year, rising from 71 instances to 146. Threat actors are using AI to automate reconnaissance, decision-making, and social engineering, compressing what once took weeks into days or even minutes. In other news, a Cornell University study has found that AI language patterns are unconsciously infiltrating human speech. Researchers analyzed over 22 million words from unscripted podcasts and discovered a surge in terms favored by large language models, such as Delve, Meticulous, and Garner. They call this phenomenon lexical seepage. Through repeated exposure to AI-generated text, our brains unconsciously absorb and reproduce these word choices. Unlike slang that spreads through culture, this represents a new phenomenon where an algorithm is reshaping human language from the outside in. Finally, AI-driven border surveillance is rapidly expanding across West Africa, raising serious human rights concerns. According to The Conversation, AI surveillance technologies funded by the European Union and other international bodies are being deployed to monitor migration routes and manage borders. These systems combine facial recognition, behavioral analysis, and predictive algorithms, potentially impacting migrants' rights and privacy. The export of advanced surveillance technology to developing nations and the balance with human rights protection is emerging as a critical international policy challenge. That's all for this AI News Flash.